Good boy. Or girl.
My bird.
No, that's okay. Is it blinking? Yes. Did he shoot? Did you shoot too? Didn't shoot? Oh. Wasn't high enough for my... You can snap his neck. Ooh, careful, bro. That was close. Okay.
I waited till I was up high.
All right.
I knew you were good. That's why I jumped.
It's all feathers. Just trying to double cycle. Moth bird. Is that all you have? Nice shot. Went high.
Here he comes, here he comes.
You shot Steve. Nice shot, Joey.
I was gonna let my